Hello everyone, welcome back to another session in the first year zoology diversity of the living world. This is Prashanthi ma'am. So ఎవరైనా ఫస్ట్ టైం ఛానల్ చూస్తున్నట్టయితే ప్లీజ్ డూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ ద ఛానల్ అండ్ ఆల్సో లైక్ ద సెషన్. ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ లైకింగ్ మోర్ ఆటోమేటికల్లీ ఫ్రమ్ మీ బెటర్ lectures are going to be posted in the channel, and also please click the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications from me. Okay, so in this session we are going to see the branches of zoology. What are the different types of branches of the zoology? So everything we are going to see now. See, first one, zoology is itself, it is a study of animals. Now taxonomy. So in the taxonomy we are going to see the main characteristics. First one is identification. సో టాక్సానమీ ఈజ్ ఇంక్లూడ్స్, నేను బ్రీఫ్గా నోట్స్ కూడా మెన్షన్ చేస్తున్నాను. సో ఈ నోట్స్ కూడా మీకు డెఫినెట్గా హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది. ప్లీజ్ డూ నోట్ డౌన్ ద షార్ట్ నోట్స్. ఓకే, ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్, దెన్ నామెన్క్లేచర్, క్లాసిఫికేషన్. ఓకే, classification of the organisms. So first one, we are identifying the characters. By the senses. అంటే ఒక యానిమల్ని కానీ ఒక ప్లాంట్ని కానీ చూసినప్పుడు కొన్ని క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తాం. సో ఇఫ్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మనం ఒక యానిమల్ని ఇమాజిన్ చేయాలంటే డెఫినెట్గా టైగర్ అంటే వీ విల్ గెట్ ద విజువల్. సో అట్ ద సేమ్ టైమ్ బటర్ఫ్లై విల్ గెట్ ద విజువల్. వై? బికాస్ దోస్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఆర్ very unique. So based on their characters, appearance, external characters and internal characters, we can able to identify them. That is the first step in the taxonomy, that is identification. After that, after identifying the animal, nomenclature is nothing but naming the organism. Okay, naming the organism is known as nomenclature. So after that, those organisms we are grouping into categories, into different taxons. So that's what classification means, grouping the organisms into different categories. All tigers in one family, and also all lions, all humans, ants, even the rats, they all are going to be categorized based on their characters. We are going to be grouping them. So that grouping process itself is known as classification, right? Next one is morphology. So morphology is nothing but, so here you have to remember the points. So this morphology is explaining size, shape, color of the organism. So and also based on the characters from externally and internally, the morphology is divided into two sub branches: external morphology and internal morphology. External means which appears outside the body, which appeared from the outside the body is known as external morphology, like size, color, shape. Okay, size, color, shape and structures we can able to see in the external morphology. Next one, internal morphology means inside the body. So what are the structures we can able to see in the internal morphology? See, again this internal morphology is divided into two branches. One is anatomy, another one is the histology. So in the anatomy, internal, the arrangement of the organs. So anatomy is going to explain about the arrangement of the organs in the body. Anatomy. Okay, so anatomy is going to explain about the internal arrangement of the different organs and organ systems. Histology means tissues. Okay, study of structure and functions of the tissues is known as histology. So histo means tissues. So this histology is also known as microanatomy. Okay, histology is also known as microanatomy. Why? Because it is going to study the minute things. So micro itself small. Okay, so tissues are very small. That's where it is studying the very small tissues and their functions in the branch histology. Right? Histology, study of tissues. Next one, cytology. So study of cyto means cell. Okay, cyto means cell, studying of cell and its cell organelles. Structure and functions of cell and cell organelle is known as cytology. Okay, cytology means here simple one is cell and cell organelles. Structure and functions. Next one, physiology. Physiology is nothing but studying the functions and processes, mainly functions and processes of the organs and organ systems. So studying the structure of functions and processes of the organs. Processes of organs and organ systems. Organs and organ systems. Okay, next one, embryology. So embryology means it is we have another word, another branch from this embryology, that is developmental biology. So in the developmental biology, mainly it is going to start with the fertilization. Fertilization means fusion of gametes. Fusion of male and female gametes is known as fertilization. So from the after fertilization, the gamete formation, so embryo formation. So from the embryo, so after fertilization it leads to zygote to embryo to fetus. Okay, fetus, and so it is going to grow as a adult. So here this from the simple cell to grown development, so this complete growth is also mentioned in the embryology. Evolution means acquiring adaptations, continuous acquiring adaptations. It results the formation of new organisms. So mainly because of evolution what we get, so the formation of new organisms, evolution process. Next one, paleontology, very important branch. Why? Because always we are getting the from the paleontology we are getting the 1-2 mark answer, that is what is the meaning of paleozoology or paleobotany. So paleobotany or paleozoology, it is nothing but study of fossils. Okay, study of fossils. So if we are studying the fossils of animals, fossils of plants, so this becomes as a paleozoology, and if it is the plants, paleobotany. Very simple. Paleontology means study of fossils, and if it is regarding the animals, paleozoology, plants, paleobotany. Ecology, so ecology is nothing but eco means surroundings. Okay, so ecology is nothing but study of the biotic factors in relation with the abiotic factors. Okay, studying the relation of biotic and abiotic factors is known as ecology. So and then genetics, study of the heredity and variations. Heredity means transferring of the characters from parents to progeny, that character itself heredity. Variations, changes, sudden changes in the closely related organisms is known as variations. About these two we'll study in the genetics. This genetic word for the first time was coined by the Bateson. The scientist name is Bateson. Okay, genetics means heredity and variations. Next one, ethology. Ethology is very simple, studying of the animal behavior, but in the ethology the scientists are going to follow the 3 main steps. So 3 main steps. So first one is observation, and then recording, and then analysis of the recordings. So by following these three steps, in this process what they are going to see, they are going to see the physiological activities and behavioral changes regarding to the different types of stimulus. So that is about the ethology, study of the animal behavior. So for that, what are the steps they are going to be follow? One is observations, recordings and analysis of the recording data. Okay, so that is all about the branches of zoology. So in the coming sessions, so we will continue the lesson, and if you have any doubts otherwise regarding the topic or the session, please do comment in the comment sections, and మీకు డెఫినెట్గా ఇది మీకు నచ్చితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి. మీరు ఇంత లైక్ చేస్తే నాకు, సో ఐ విల్ గెట్ మోర్ ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్ సో దట్ ఐ కెన్ అప్లోడ్ మెనీ lectures regarding to the zoology lessons. Okay, so thanks for watching. Keep watching my channel. Okay, so I'll be back with another session. Thank you.